Hello guys and welcome to the first tutorial for using C Sharp with .NET Core inside Visual Studio Code. So the first thing what you need to do is go and download .NET Core. So you can do this from this www.microsoft.com/net/download/core, and in my case I have downloaded this Windows 64-bit version. Depending on your package and OS, you can download whatever is appropriate for you, and then you need to download Visual Studio Code. It's a very good IDE, it's very lightweight and it's pretty fast. I'm using it for quite a few days. So once you have installed Visual Studio Code, you should get something like this. One simple editor. Then what you need to do, you need to click on this extensions tab, and here you have to type C sharp, and then you can see there is one extension, particular extension from OmniSharp. You can go and install it. As I have already installed it, only the uninstall option is coming for me. So once you have done that, and after that it will ask for you to restart this window. So once you have done that, we'll then click to view and click on the integrated terminal. You should get something like this. For now, we'll just hide the extension tab. For creating a new C Sharp application in .NET Core, first navigate to the folder where you want to create the project. In my case, it will be D, my tutorials, and inside that we'll create another folder called hello world. Then we'll go inside that folder, and once you're inside that folder, you you need to run a special command to create a .NET project inside that. So it will be like .NET space new, and this will basically create the .NET project for you. So see here, created a new C Sharp project at this window path. So now we'll go to this Visual Studio Code and this Explorer tab, and we'll open this particular folder. So in our case, it is this Hello World folder. So if you select that, it should open. Ta-da! And now we have basically two programs. One is project.json, other one is program.cs. And depending on the user's time, suppose this is you are having the first time, so OmniSharp tab will download some content for you. So you don't need to worry about that. But in order to run this project, some of its dependency need to be loaded. As you can see here there is one warning required asset to yes, or anyhow we'll do it manually. So for that, what we'll do, we'll close this and we'll say not now for this. So what we'll do, again we'll open our terminal window, by integrated terminal. We can do this by pressing Control and the tilde sign. So here we'll do that, and then we'll write .NET restore. So basically what this command does, this basically checks into a project.json folder and checks what are the dependencies are there. So it will load all the dependencies and it will create one project.log.json for us. See, as this is the file, and these are the components which are being used for our program. Now in order to run this program, we don't need to do much. Simply we'll just uh, go for this folder and we'll just simply run .NET run. So what this particular program does, it prints hello world in the screen. So as you can see, we got our hello world message in our screen. So it is there. So we can simply change this message to like .NET hello world from .NET .NET core. So now again if you run it, you will see that it basically prints whatever you have written. So this is the first application that you can create and get started with .NET Core or with C Sharp inside Visual Studio Code. all of these things like .NET Core and Visual Studio Code, everything is open source. So all these are free. So you can get started with C# coding with this tool. And in upcoming videos, we'll look at debugging and other stuff, some getting input from data and all these things. Till now, this is it for this first course. Thank you.